This is how I make study tables. I find an image that I'm going to use. I open a Word document and then I decide its layout, and in this case I'm going to pick landscape. I then drag the image into the document. I make it the appropriate size and then I'm going to set it to the background. I'm going to put it right in the center this time. I'm now going to insert a text box and I'm going to pick the plain option. I'm going to select the text and I'm going to write the letter X. I'm now going to decide what font, size and justification I want. And in this case, I'm going to pick copper black, font 14, and justify it into the center. Now I'm going to make the text box also in the background. Putting it in the background allows me to put it anywhere I want on the page. I then make it the appropriate size. I'm just going to adjust it to where I want it to be. It's outside the normal boundaries, but that's okay. I'm just going to put it a nice size to be next to the diagram. I'm now going to copy and paste this text box. It's just making multiple copies of the same text box I made at the start, and I'm going to line them up next to my diagram in the order that I want. At the moment, the titles don't matter, and I just keep going until I've filled up all of the space that I want to fill up. I know the top text box is going to be the same size as the bottom text box because the image was right in the middle, so I just copy and paste that. Just drag it down to the bottom there. Because it's all in the background, I can put it anywhere I want. And now I need special text boxes for the sides at the bottom, so I just copy and paste and change the size using the boxes on the side. So I make this a little bit longer. And now I've got to squash it down a little bit to make it perfect for the bottom corner on the left-hand side. So I know this text box is the same size I need on the other side, so I copy and paste it. And I pop it over there on the other side. Now I just need to give each of the text boxes a title. And in this case, I'll just use numbers, but ordinarily these would be the topics that I want the students to use in their notes. Okay, once I've done all of that, it looks fantastic. I go up to File, and I'm going to save the document as a Word document. I choose where I'm going to save it to. In this case, I'm going to put it on the desktop. And I'm going to put it into the folder called How to Study Table. And I'm going to call it Study Table on Study Tables. And it will save it to the folder I selected earlier. And now we're done. This is what it looks like when students get hold of it.